Hey Josie. Hi Paul. Hope you guys are all well. Simon. Hi Dom in Tasmania. Hi Jonathan. Oh, lovely on the Blackwater. Hi, Karen. Hi, Dad. Hi, Jan. Hi, Nick. Take care, Nick. Good to see you. Hey, everybody in California. Hey, Maureen. Hey, Joe. Little tune here I learned from. Hey, Davey. Andy. Learned this from a great friend of mine, Desi Donnelly. Great fiddle player from Manchester. It's called the Jewish Waltz. Hey Johnny. Hey Margin. Alistair. Beth. I hope the sound is good. Don't talk too soon. Hi Catherine. Hi Tommy. Hey Mara. Hey to everybody in Brittany, Rosie and Bob. Hi Katie and Brittany. Bit of box. Hey John. Hey Rob. Hey Sean. Hey Chris, Amy. One more time. Great to see you guys. Yeah, I'm just kind of playing a few. I thought I'd start with a few little sort of nice slow ones. Catherine from Sidmouth. I hope you guys are all well. We've had it's been a funny week here in Scotland in High Judy in here in Perthshire. We had a terrible flood. Well, when I say terrible, I mean not in the sense like on a global scale, probably not terrible, but outside our front door here in this little street near the burn. A burn is a Scottish word for a river. When I say a river, it's a small river. Hi Duncan, but it's very close to the bank. Is very close to the house here. Outside our front door was Hi Chris, was literally up to my waist, pretty much in floodwater. So you can imagine we live in an upstairs flat. We're lucky, but it was pretty crazy. Hi Andy, yeah, it was mad. Hi Earl Olav in Norway. Hi Paul. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, so a bit of a flood, and you're probably wondering tonight, why is he not broadcasting? Hi Michelle. Why is he not broadcasting from the van yet? And I'm gonna be definitely doing that soon. Unfortunately, this takes a little bit more preparation. Hi to Rob up in Everton there. That's lovely. Anyway, just play a couple of. Hi Lillian in yeah, of course, Linda. I'd love to play that. Linda, did you get flooded as well over there in Kuros? Lillian in Sweden, in Holo. Good to see you, my family in Sweden. Gonna play you an old tune. It's just a version of just an old Irish tune called Cooley's Reel, but I'd love to play that for you. I'm playing this old box, this old Salterell. It's my first ever my first ever professional instrument at the age of 16. And it's a Salterell. Right back at you, Michelle. Hope you're okay in these crazy times. So here we go. A little bit of Cooley's Reel, a little bit of backing track first, with a little bit of looping first. Kristen. One more time. Rob, good to see you. Hey Debbie. Hey James. we go. Hey, Jenny Paul. Hey, Alpen. Freddie. Johnny, great to see you. Jessica, thanks you. One more time. Hey, Benjamin. Hey, El. Boxing beats. Hi, Alison. How's it going? Will I have power in the van? Well, do you know, I will, but most of these are actually battery powered. You know, James. Anyway, so yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. Well, we had a request for Winds and Tides, so I'll do. Great to see you, Alison. Thanks a million for watching and tuning in and everything, guys. Sam in Belgium, great to see you. I would, of course, play that, no problem. Linda in Curus has asked for the Winds and Tides Permitting. So I'll give you a bit of that first, and then do Little Bird. So this is a song that was written for my father Richard's boat, the Endeavour. It's called Winds and Tides Permitting, and it's Happy Dongle. Written by Enda McCabe. It's got a great chorus if you feel like joining in. This little boat protects me well, and carries me o'er the ocean swell. And another day I'll be home to you, the winds and tides permitting. Oh, the winds and tides permitting. The winds and tides permitting. I'll be with you when I can. Winds and tides permitting. One more time. Winds and tides permitting. Winds and tides permitting. Join in the chorus. I'll be with you when I can. Winds and tides permitting. Hey Toby. Hey Polly. The throat is a little bit sore tonight, so I do apologise. So I have travelled the whole world through, and yes, I've put many miles between me and you. Now I'm homebound on the deep blue sea. I still remember our sweet young dreams. Oh, the winds and tides permitting. Winds and tides permitting. Thanks, John. I'll be with you when I can. Winds and tides permitting. Hi, Michael. Oh, winds and tides permitting. Winds and tides permitting. Thanks for tuning in, Michael. I'll be with you when I can. Winds and tides permitting. I will, of course, Larissa. Want to wish Larissa a very happy birthday there up in the northeast of Scotland. I think she's with Rob Ellen, the great Rob Ellen from the Moose Radio Mobile. Have a great night, Larissa. Have a brilliant night. Winds and tides permitting. Winds and tides permitting. I'll be with you when I can. Winds and tides permitting. Hey Claire, how's it going? The days and weeks have turned into months, and the months turned into years. The many miles between us lie. I think of you almost every day. One more chorus. Winds and tides permitting. Great to see you, Claire. A few requests there. So that's Winds and Tides Permitting, written by the great Enda McCabe. Enda does a show there on Wednesday nights, a folk club, so do tune into that. And great to see you. Thanks a million. Well, Sam in Belgium has asked for I'm sorry to miss some of your messages there. Sorry, Paul. I was just watching. Hans, great to see you. Paul, I shall catch up with that after. About you were saying about the van there. Can you play a set from Gordon Duncan, Flatwater Fran? Unfortunately, on my own, I'm not able to scroll back. So any requests do remind me throughout the night. This is for Sam in Belgium. This is for you, Sam. This is Little Bird. Larissa, great to see you. Great to see you, Larissa. Have a brilliant birthday. This is for you as well, Larissa. This is a tune called Little Bird. And hi to need a secretary. Oh Jesus. That's great. I like that, Freddie. Hi Treepix, how are you doing, sir? Over in Canada, great to see you, sir. So here we go. Here's Little Bird for you, Sam, and for Larissa. Time for a few polkas, Sean. Absolutely. Great to see you. Great to see you, Matt. So a little bird there for Sam in Belgium, and for Larissa's birthday as well. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Ben Sands, great to see you. Say hello to everybody there in Rostrevor. I'm sorry to miss some of your messages there. I some nights you just it's hard sometimes, because when you're really playing a tune that you're sort of yeah, you know, kind of getting into, it's you always yeah, you know what I mean. Maureen, great to see you. Well, Sean, some polkas for Sean, and also Jenny and Paul Luxmore requested a bit of a tune that I wrote for my father. And I think my mum is watching tonight. Deirdre's watching. My mum, Deirdre. Hi, Mum. How are you doing? play some old favourites. A couple of tunes, play these for Sean over in Ireland, and they're classic sort of. Just get my other melody, other accordion out. They're classic Begley and Cooney set. Hi Debbie, great to see you, Debbie. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks to all of you for tuning in, guys. It's always a pleasure to play for you. This is a great tune, guys. A great tune, a great set of tunes that I learned from Seamus Begley and Steve Cooney. Called one of the first times I ever seen the guys play was in Matt Malloy's bar in Westport in 1995. I was with Enda McCabe, a great friend and family friend. That was a Westport Arts Festival, and just the most wonderful memories. And at the end of the night, Matt Malloy got up and played the Mason's Apron with Steve Cooney, and I'll never forget any of that. It was incredible. But Seamus played these great tunes. So play these for Sean, and Sean Keller is a wonderful guitar player over in Kerry, and he's one of the up-and-coming stars of that region. It's called Maggie in the Wood, and John Brosnan is a great accordion player and maker and fixer in Kilcummin in County Kerry, north of Killarney. Here we go. a couple of polkas for you there. Maggie in the Wood, and John Brosnan's. Freddie, you said about a Romanian tune there. Sorry I didn't get to all your messages there. Hey Alice, how's it going? I think I'll play another little thing. Play a little slow air for you that I learned from the Chieftains. Say hello to your dad, Sam. Of course, Norman, great to see you. Flatwater fan. I have to give that a break this week, Pat. I'm trying to sort of play a bit of new stuff. I'm really sorry. But I'll play something instead. slow air, which I can't remember if I learned that when I was living with the Begleys in Ballinabuck in Dingle, which I was very lucky to do for about 4 years on and off, 3.5, 4 years, well, probably longer. Do I know any nice slides? I know a few. I could play a few of those after, Sam. I will indeed. We have a little. We had another little folk week. Yeah. Do you know what? I'm going to play a tune for you, Rosie and Bob, and this is a tune I wrote. It's called the Broadstairs Regatta. We should have all been at lots of festivals this year in Scotland, England, Ireland, Wales, all over the world. I missed Broadstairs, which is happening now. Well, it would have finished now. Liz, great to see you. Say a big hello to you and the husband and the kids and the family and everybody there in Buncrana. Yeah, it's a difficult time, guys. I missed Broadstairs Festival, Wickham, Sidmouth. There was one in Cumbria, I think it was Cambridge or whatever. There's so many. Hi, Anne Marie. We had a request for some slides from Sam, but I'll play you a tune that I composed, and it's called the James. Great to see you. Musetta Teresa. Yeah, Luke Daniels. Oh my goodness, a genius. This is a tune. This is a tune. Sorry, that I wrote, called the Broadstairs Regatta. I wrote this about 20 years ago, and I hope you like it. It's called the Broadstairs Regatta. It's in 7/8. Freddie, you might like this one. I recorded this on an album with Jesus, so many requests. So sorry, guys. My brain is not fast enough tonight. Planksty, Dermot Grogan. Jesus. I don't. Waltz Lulu. I'm not sure. I might know that. I'd have to kind of hear those tunes, guys. I'm so sorry, Pat. The Planksty, Dermot Grogan, I would probably know if I knew the tune. And the Waltz Lulu, I'm not sure. You'll have to send that to me, Freddie. Although I can't read music, so maybe. James, great to see you. Yes. Anyway, the Broadstairs Regatta. It's a tune I wrote about 21 years ago. I'll play this for Rosie and Bob. In Broadstairs. tune that I wrote called The Broadstairs Regatta. Hi, Bill. That's a tune I composed called the The Broadstairs Regatta. If you like that tune, it's on an album called The Collective. It's on my album, on my website, www.timedey.com. And also it's on an album with Brendan Power and Lucy Randall. Hi Ellie, great to see you in Limerick. Rob Payne, in fact, just requested a tune from Limerick. So maybe I'll play this for Ellie and Rob. Rob's in Dingle and Ellie's in Limerick, or County Limerick. And Pat, I might have to do the Flatwater Frown after. But that tune I just played was called the Hi Frank and Derry. Great to see you, Frank. Yeah, that tune I played there was called the Broadstairs Regatta, and it's so sad this year. Of course, all the flowers are cancelled in Ireland. I think there's stuff online, and all the UK festivals are here. Norman and up in Inverness, you requested a tune, so I'm going to play this for Norman in Inverness. And this is a wonderful tune written by the great Donald Shaw from Capically, and it's a tune called Callum's Road. It was written in praise of Callum MacLeod from Rassay. Alistair Cassidy, great friend of mine, great guitar player from Glasgow, knows the whole story. But Capically sort of recorded this tune. I think Donald wrote this tune when he was about 17 or 18, and the man is an absolute genius. He's one of my favourite producers and Scottish musicians. So we'll play this for you, Norman, up in Inverness, Callum's Road. Play this for Liz as well, in Buncrana. just joined in, this is a tune by the great Donald Shaw called Callum's Road. Emma's tune, yeah. Let me finish this one first. Sorry, Paul. If you've just joined us, this is Callum's Road by Donald Shaw. Thanks a million, Pat. Play that for Norman and Ellie Byrne. Norman's in Inverness, and Ellie is in Limerick, and Rob Payne as well over in Ireland. George, great to see you. Yeah, I'll introduce you to the mullet on Monday, guys, and hopefully for the next Sleeping Tunes. Well, young Sam over in Belgium, I haven't forgotten you, Sam, and you requested some slides, so I'm just gonna go into my little memory bank. This is a couple of tunes, Sam, a couple of slides. Sam in Belgium, this is for you, Sam, and your dad. And this is a couple of tunes I learned from a great buddy of mine, Sharon Shannon. Sharon, of course, needs no introduction, and she recorded these with Steve Cooney and Maura Brannock. And Trevor Hutchinson, a great friend of mine on double bass. He's the sort of go-to double bass player in Ireland, I suppose, for traditional music, anyway. And then there's the Blen, the great James Blenner Hassett. Those guys are sort of the main session bass players, if you like, in Ireland, and I know Trevor well. And lucky enough to play with him for a long time in Lunasa. But these tunes, anyway, were written by Maura Brannock, and they were recorded on an album with Sharon Shannon on and Steve Cooney called oh my goodness, Sam, I hope you like these, Sam. These are wonderful tunes, Sam. I hope I can do these justice for you over there in Belgium. Rosie and Bob, great to see you. So that's I may well be Asboed for playing that one. Asbo, by the way, is Sloncheval. I love those tunes, guys. They're I say never forget. I got to play those with Sharon one time, and oh my God, she's one of the most powerful musicians I've ever had the chance to play with. Great to see you, Catherine Nicol. Wonderful fiddle player. Catherine is in Edinburgh. Hopefully be hearing Catherine soon and playing with her. And Tom Oakes. Hi Gregory, great to see you. Well, talking of Sharon Shannon, and to indulge a little bit now, I want to play you a little set. And the first one is another tune somebody requested there. It's called Broch na Carrigabonne. And it's a beautiful song that was made famous, I suppose, by Steve Cooney and Seamus Begley on an album called Mehel. That's where I learned it anyway. Steve taught this one to me. Sam, you're very welcome. Hope to see you guys in Belgium one day. I play this tune for the people who requested it. Please forgive my memory. You know what I'm like at this stage. My memory is terrible. Also play this for play this for What's Left. Goodness, Freddie, we have to learn your Lulu waltz. Play this for Frank Gallagher in Derry as well, and for everybody everywhere. And I say this is called Broch na Carrigabonne. Steve Cooney taught me this tune, I think showed me this tune in like 1995. Best guitar player in the world, in my opinion. Steve. Or my favourite. And certainly without his influence and Seamus Begley's, I wouldn't be playing this for you now. Also my father, Richard. Of course, huge influence, and Django Reinhardt, and Ed Boyd, and another Irish guitar player called Rick Campion from Laois was one of my earliest influences on guitar before I got into Ed and Steve Cooney. And my dad's a great guitar player as well. Right back at you, sir. Bruckner Carrigabonia, or Bonia, it's a wonderful song there. Joe McCabe, Ralph Downey in County Leash. He lives in London now. He's a professor of music in London at one of the colleges. I'm going to play you another tune now by Steve Cooney. That was Bruckner Carrigabonia. Of course, if you love that tune, you can hear that on the metal album by Begley and Cooney. Sadly, after hassling the guys for like 20 years, it's still not on iTunes. Maybe Sean Kelleher, you can persuade the Begley to put that up on iTunes. I recorded it as well on... no, I didn't record it. Jesus, I didn't. I keep persuading Steve Cooney to record a solo version, but he hasn't yet. But his guitar playing, if you want to hear the best Irish guitar playing, in my opinion, Steve Cooney's production on that metal album is just, well, I'm not sure quite how you describe it, but... Mick Campion, maybe relation to Mick. Rick Campion. Sorry, Joe, I'll play this for Joe McCabe as well. It's tune by Steve Cooney called Confirper Corafina, which in English means the Corafin hornpipe. I think Steve may have written this for Sharon Shannon, I'm not quite certain. And I just love this tune, it's a beautiful tune. So here we go. Sharon recorded this on her first album. I just thought I'd give you a little whirl. So... doing a little bit of backing. called Fipa Corafina, written by the great Steve Cooney. And that was recorded by the equally great Sharon Shannon. Hi William, how's it going? Yeah, Sharon recorded that tune on an album, on her first album. Norman, thanks for tuning in. Time to do a little bit of sort of faster tunes for you. Little bit of jazz, little bit of French jazz. Christy, great to see you. Oh my God, I'd be very nervous with Christy Leahy watching. Whenever one of my wonderful Irish friends, like Christy there in Cork, well, Christy's in Italy, in fact. Our Dermot Byrne, any of my, hey Chris Sadler, how are you doing? Whenever some of my wonderful friends from Ireland, and they're amazing accordion players over there, absolutely incredible. Christy Leahy's one of my favourites from the North Craig, and Dermot Byrne up in Donegal. Whenever they come on, I get very nervous. Equally so as when Phil Cunningham comes on in Scotland, I get very nervous. Paul, yes I do, Paddy's a little bit later, no problem. First of all, I'll do a little tune called the let's see. Freddie, that's a great idea. I'll do a little Django number for you. I can't remember what this is called, but I hope you like it. Pardon me. There we go, guys. A little bit of Django. A bit of yeah. I'm so sorry. I can never remember the name of that tune. I'm just going to find a little song for you here. Early morning rain. Yeah, I'll do a Begley song after. I'm going to be very brave and do you a Seamus Begley song. Before I do that, I would love to, yeah, hi to everybody. Hi, Richard and Rebecca. Hope you guys are, hope everybody's well out there. Before I do that, yeah, I just, do you know what? There's a, oh yeah, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to play you a Beatles, I'm going to play you a little Beatles tune on this beautiful Yamaha guitar. I'm going to play you a little Beatles medley. Some more polkas, yeah, no problem. Get in tune first. Take two. This is a Yamaha folk guitar. Brand new, 300 quid, straight out of the factory, beautiful. Hi to everybody in Czech. Not usually this out of tune. Sorry guys. Jesus Christ. Let's do that again. It is incredibly hot here tonight. But it's not usually that bad. Here we go again. Take two, take three. want to break for now and play something a little different for you. Rob Payne asked for a beautiful tune called I think it was the Woods of Limerick. Also, we had a request for Paddy's Ramble Through the Park. Let's see. Let's do this one. Let's do this one first. This is a great tune, guys, and it's this is learnt from the playing of Liam O'Flynn and Steve Cooney as well. Hope you guys are all well. Everybody in Chicago and America. Hey Dennis! Great to see you, sir. Jesus, I'll be nervous again. Play this for everybody in Donegal and for Pat. The tune called Paddy's Ramble Through the Park. missed something here. Hey Mike. One more time. that's a tune, guys, called Paddy's Rambles Through the Park, and I played that. Anybody who ever says a DG melodian diatonic is can't play chromatically. That I was playing that. This is a DG, just a standard DG, not any fancy stuff on this, and I was playing that in B major. So don't let if you play a diatonic, a DG, don't let anybody tell you can't play it in other keys aside from D and G and E minor. You can play it in lots of keys, as I showed you there. You do miss out one of the top G sharps on the top row, but and yeah, if you want to hear that played properly, listen to my great friend Jim McBurn. Well, I think Freddie, you might be the only person this time getting a slight screen disturbance. Hi to Edey in Dunfanny. Great to see you, Edey. Great to see you, sir. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to sing you a little song. I'm going to try and sing. I haven't sang this for a long time, but it's a beautiful song by the great Gordon Lightfoot, and I used to sing this with or rather I used to play this with Seamus Begley, and of course he recorded it with Jim Murray, the famous version. I'll give it a go for you anyway. Jesus, let's see. I'm just getting my little lyrics here. Craig, great to see you. Craig Denham, wonderful accordion player and musician from New Zealand. I think you're in Prague now, Craig, is that right? Great to see you, sir. And John Sanders. Absolutely. He's more sensible, Alistair. More sensible. Absolutely, Craig. I'll do this one. Lovely New Zealand. Big hello to Mr. Sanders. Love you guys. In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand and my pockets full of sand, and an aching in my heart. Sorry, Gordon. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, 707 set to go, but I'm out here on the ground, where the pavement never grows. These are different words. And the liquor tasted good, and the women are fine. Oh, there she goes, my friend. She'll be rolling out the line. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver wing up high. Westward bound, far above the clouds she'd fly, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. Oh, she'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. what's got me down. It's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be. You can't jump a dread plane like you can Nancy Spain. That's a Begley line. Oh, it must be on my way. I'll get in trouble for that. The early morning rain has be on my way. In the early morning rain. So a little bit of Begley there. Craig Denham, great musician, great buddy in New Zealand, requested some musette. So Craig, I'll try this for you. This is it's actually written for a British TV program called Hello Hello. Hello Hello. Sorry to anybody French that's listening. It's one of my favourite sort of theme tunes, and it's called London Calling. But it's actually a wonderful sort of musette. I just remember how to play it. Okay, I think we're going to be okay, Craig. I hope so. So here you go. Here's my little version of Hello Hello. Hey Ray! that was for Craig Denham, an amazing accordion player. Craig, I'm going to do you a faster one, or I'm going to try to. Just got to find out. I have a couple of loops here that I sometimes. Sorry, this is very unprofessional. I'm just going to find you. Jesus. Let's see. Sorry. I have a couple of pre-made ones here, guys. I was going to play Craig. Yeah, here we go. And play Craig. I'll play you a little tune I learned from Dermot Byrne. I can't play it anything like Dermot, but it's a beautiful tune. It's a tune called La Burlesque. It should take you guys to Paris for a little 4-minute soiree. I play this for my parents-in-law. It's their wedding anniversary tonight, or today even. And play this for Janet and Bob. Sorry I wasn't there earlier. Maureen, great to see you. Here we go. If you've got a partner, now's the time to get up and have a little dance. It's okay, Craig. Great Craig. You're a mega friend. So that was for Craig Denham. There's a really lovely piece I just came into my mind, and I apologise to any requests. But this is, you're gonna love this. Trust me, you're gonna love this one. This is another piece that I stole, that I'm gonna I borrowed off Sharon Shannon. It's a piece. I think it's Mexican. Sharon recorded this one. I think it's Mexican. I think, and I just love this. I hope you like this. It's called It's got a really funny name, and I'm so sorry to not pronounce it. If you've enjoyed tonight, guys, and I know a lot of you have, you're always so kind to put a couple of quid in the tip jar. That's always incredibly appreciated, as long as you've got a couple of quid spare, because this is tough times for everybody, not just musicians. Probably do apologise, I've been drinking far too much lemonade. I'm completely not drinking tonight as well. I've been feeling a little bit ill today, so I haven't been drinking any alcohol, just blackcurrant juice, just Ribena and Sláinte Mhair. Sláinte Mhair in Scotland, and Sláinte in Ireland, and Santé in France, and Babushka, and oh Jesus, there's so many great countries, pardon me, in watching tonight, and I just love playing for you guys. And pardon me, yeah, if you've enjoyed tonight, I am playing El Mercado. Thank you, Kathleen. Merino Waltz, that's a great tune, Keen. John, oh my God, John, oh God, this is embarrassing. John, let me just, sorry, this is very bad. John Sheehan, Jesus, I know John well. He's from the Dubliners. John wrote the Merino Waltz. Oh God, I do know that. Meg, how are you doing, Meg? Great to see you. I just want to, oh goodness me, where am I? Sorry guys, this is very bad. I'm just trying to share something. If all of you have enjoyed this, I'm starting a thing called, I'm starting a thing on Monday nights called Monday Music Club, Monday Night Music Club, live from Mullet. And Mullet is my new van. Well, it's not new at all. It's about 22 years old, and I hope to God she gets through the MOT or the NCT. But it's a great space. I mean, I'm playing in the house tonight. David, great to see you, David. Lovely to see you. Hope you're well in Glasgow. Sam, I do know that. Jesus, sorry guys. Yeah, anybody who's interested, I'm playing like it says an hour and a half, but it'll be like 2 hours probably. And I'm just going to put the link up here. It's called the Monday Night Music Night. Oh Jesus, how do you do this? This is very embarrassing. I'm trying to work out I don't know how you post this, but I'm going to just try and put this up. If anybody's interested, you can get a ticket on my website. And it's the first ever ticketed gig I've ever done online. So anyway, I'll play this. Sorry guys, I'll stop talking. And the theme is going to be Django Reinhardt, but I'm bound to slip in a few Celtic ones as well. Anyway, here's Mercado from Sharon Shannon. Play this for my neighbour Dave and Judy. I used to play this tune with a great buddy of mine, John Sanders, an amazing guitar player. Well, he plays everything. Yeah, the idea about the Monday Music Club. I'll have some guests as well, but the first one is going to be just myself, and I hope you'll join me. It's on Monday night from my website. The link is there. Tickets are like, I think they're like $5.99 just to cover the streaming charge, because I had to set up a sort of streaming service. It's all way over my head, complicated. And the idea is a Monday night music club twice a month. If you've just joined us, hi Stephen Houston. Great to see you, Stephen. This is the tune I learned from my great friend Sharon Shannon. It's called El Macedo. One more time. One round on the box. my mum, Deirdre. Bit of Piazzolla. Accordion player from London. It's called a flat part. Great to see you. Suzanne Houston, amazing piano player, musician in Glasgow. Suzanne Fyvie now even. Great to see you guys. Yeah, the idea of the sort of Monday music club is sort of just to be able to sort of have a regular sort of Monday that I can sort of make it a reasonable cost, like not an outrageous cost. I think $5.99 is good for sort of 2 hours of music. Plus, I think you'd be able to access the gig and possibly make it downloadable even. You know, so I just want to make it sort of affordable for everybody. Yeah, I just have to finish off fairly soon here because it's getting quite late. The Mist Cover Mountain, I shall try and squeeze that in. Suzanne, great to see you. Play this for you and Steve. Yeah, please share the link around, guys, if you don't mind, to anybody who might enjoy a bit of music on a Monday night. Gonna play this for Suzanne and Steve and hope the kids are sleeping. This is a little version of Be Now My Vision, or The Banks of the Ban. And I just love this tune. Play this for Alistair Cassidy as well, and for my mum, Deirdre. Of course, on a Monday night, if 2 hours is too long for you guys, you only have to tune in for as long as you want. Francis, good night to you. Hope to see you soon. Phil Cunningham. Called Eleanor Vusan. my great buddy, the genius that is Phil Cunningham, and that's called Eleanor of Usan. I will do Flat Water. But before I do that, I'd love to play you a little tune. I wish I could sing this. It's a song that Karen Casey recorded, and Siobhan Miller. Siobhan sings a lovely version of this. Her dad Brian was watching this very show. I just love playing this. I love the melody. It's called The King's Shilling. It's a song from Glasgow. It's about the Brummy Law. The Brummy Law is the Clyde. The Clyde area. I hope I'm right saying that. Jesus. I love Glasgow. I have to say Glasgow is probably one of the most friendliest cities in the world. It really is. Great people. Thanks a million, Sam. Hi, James. Jonathan, thanks a million. Sam. Thanks a million, Sam. Very kind. Danke Val. He took the shilling. I wish I could sing this. He took the shilling and he's off to war. I wish I could sing this like Siobhan Miller. Siobhan does a great version of this. I'm building up my guitar orchestra here. Suzanne, great to see you. Suzanne, brilliant story, Suzanne. Great to see you, Dahi. That's such a great song. I wish I could sing that. Pat asked for Flatwater Fran, so I have to do your Flatwater Fran. Another another amazing Phil Cunningham tune. Paddy Callahan, great to see you. Great to see you. Hope you guys are having a great time in Bray, Paddy. I hope that Moss and Amini is behaving himself. Great to see you guys on the Facebook the other day. You heard Paddy Callahan, amazing accordion player from Glasgow, absolutely amazing. And say hi to Ola as well. Play this for you and Ola, Paddy. This is a great tune by all of our buddies, I think. Suzanne, and you know him a lot longer than I do, but Mr. Phil Cunningham, just the most, oh my God, where do you start with Phil? He's just a genius, an absolute genius. And I was very lucky, as I keep telling you guys, I've been a fan of Phil since I was a teenager, and I got his first, one of his first albums, The Palomino Horse, oh my God, he's, I've got to know him a good bit over the years, and every year we go to Celtic Colours and in Canada, Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia. What a wonderful place, and this last year, the year just gone, I was spent 10 days with Phil and JP Cormier, and we just, oh my God, we literally played we played slow airs every night and hornpipes. They call them clogs, we call them hornpipes, but I convinced Phil to do some of his own tunes, and I was crying in most of them. I mean, he's just, the emotion that Phil Cunningham can write into music, I think is there's not many people that can do that. I'm sure you'll back me up on this, Paddy. The man is a genius. I can't think of many composers in the Scottish music or the Celtic music. I mean, James Scott Skinner, Neil Gower. Phil is up there with. He's a genius. The guy's a genius. And this is a tune called Flatwater Fran. I'm going to play this for Pat. I may have to leave you guys after this one. Absolute genius. Yeah, Paddy Callan is absolutely right. This is for you and Ola, Paddy, and Suzanne and Steve. Flatwater Fran. About the tuning. Dudley, yeah. Lovely sound. That's me trying to play the accordion quietly. Well, guys, thanks a million to all of you, probably for tuning in. I think, yeah, I'm not in the van just yet, but please share this. Paddy, thanks a million. Hope you guys are having a brilliant time over in Ireland. I saw your photos of McGilligan. I've been there. I love that, getting the ferry over to Donegal. I think I'm gonna play. Do you know what? I'm gonna play a Scottish tune to finish with. I wish I could go on longer. I would go on longer, but I have to be a little bit respectful of the neighbours. And anyway, please join me on my Monday night music club if you feel like it, or you know anybody who'd enjoy it. I'm trying to make it like an affordable sort of folk club, like a virtual folk club, I suppose. And there will be interaction as well. I promise not too much, because you'd probably be I'll be driving you mad. But there is a chat function, and there's like a green room as well, I think. And it says like an hour and a half, but you know what I'm like, it'll be more like 2 hours. And it's Django Reinhardt themed, but I will be playing some stuff after that as well. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is the tune that I love to play, and it's a beautiful tune that I learned from the singing of Karen Matheson, the great Karen Matheson, another one of my heroes. Let's start that again. Let's do a take two. This guitar is being very, very naughty. Catherine, great to see you. I hope to get a tune with you soon. Great to see you, Catherine. Really can't wait to see you and Tom. Here we go. This is the right one now. I have it now. Here we go. Gaelic song from the Isle of Skye. tuning. Thanks a million, Francis, Sam. Hi, Knut in Norway. Sorry not to play a little bit later. I'm not doing too bad. I'm nearly up to 3 hours now, but yeah, I might better give my neighbours a little break. But thanks a million, tooth and tack. Thank you so much for watching. Moran Tang, Gurmilan Makav. Please share this link to anybody that would enjoy some music on Monday nights. And if anybody out there is suffering terribly because of the coronavirus and you haven't got any money to buy a little ticket for this Monday night, please private message me. I really mean this, and we'll work something out. So please don't be afraid to do that, and don't be ashamed or shy or whatever. This is a crazy time. So good night, Alistair. Talk to you soon. I've been meaning to talk to you, Mr. Cassidy, for about 2 months. And I've been absolutely useless. I really have. Has anybody else here found that this lockdown has... hi Amy, hi Gail. Do you find, guys, that this lockdown has sort of introverted us a little bit? We're not used to seeing other people. And when we do, it's actually quite... thanks a million, Polly. Great to see you. Yeah, when we do, it's actually quite surreal. Quite weird. I think we've all had a bit of that recently, you know, because, yeah. Anyway, it's yeah, it's been a lovely night playing for you guys. Yeah, I've really loved it. Sean, thanks a million, Gurmagov. Great to see you, El. And, I say you will. Aha. Eric, no problem at all. You're a great person for... Yes, absolutely, Eric. Generous man, Tim. Yeah, please, guys, anybody listening, especially musicians, I know exactly what it's like. Believe me. So please, private message me and don't be afraid. Do you know what? I'll play a quick one just to finish with. Knut, thanks a million. I'll play this for Amy Headley. This is a lovely I haven't played this for ages, but this is a tune called The Coolin. It's an Irish tune. this in memory of the amazing English guitar player Julian Bream, who died yesterday. One of the best ever in the world. Thanks a million for watching, guys, and for all your support. Hi Rosie. Great to see you, Rosie. Right back at you. Hope you got some good swimming. As always, guys, please tell your friends about these Saturday nights and Monday nights, if you don't mind. Anybody in Canada or America, I'm trying to do a special show for you guys. A little bit later for me. Hi Matthew. Philadelphia is a great town. I had a wonderful 4 days there with the Chieftains, and oh my goodness, great city. Amy, great to see you. I promise, guys, it's the last one before I get asboed. In Julian Bream sort of spirit, not anything like Sligo Pub, yeah, near the Radisson SAS. Good night, guys. Bream style golden stud. Inspired by the great Stockton swing, Mike Hanrahan.
So that was a little tribute to Julian Bream. I'm not sure what went on there, but Jesus, whatever's in my blackcurrant squash. Will You Go to Flanders? Of course I'd play that. I'll play this for the last one, of course, no problem. Before I get asboed. Play this for Suzanne. Great to see you. Thanks a million for tuning in, Suzanne. Really appreciate it. Lovely to hope to see you as well, Suzanne, and Steve as well. Maybe we can meet up for a socially distanced, if we still have to do that, and let the kids have a meet as well. Ava would be lovely. Love meeting your wee ones. Alistair, American Pie. Oh Jesus, Bohemian Rhapsody. Oh my goodness, Alistair. Let's see if I can do it. Jesus. Let's do... So will you go to Flanders? Alistair Cassidy, do you mind if we do that one first? This is a beautiful song. Sam, maybe your niece Flanders, Sam. Sam Vermeulen in sorry to pronounce your name, is in Belgium. Great that you're watching, Sam. Thanks a million for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. It's great to play for you. I recorded this, or rather Seamus Begley recorded this, and I played on it. I'm just going to get the words to this just in case I feel like joining in. Alistair Cassidy, if you feel like joining in on this one as well. It's in fact a Scottish song. Karine Polwart did a beautiful version as well. In fact, yeah, she actually did a... I suppose she did a beautiful version. Karine, amazing Karine Polwart. I don't know if I can sing this, but I'm going to play it for you anyway. Tells the story of in World War II or World War I. I guess it might be World War II. I hope I'm right there. Of the Scots Brigade, the Scots soldiers going to Flanders to fight in that war. Will you go to Flanders, my Malio? Will you go to Flanders, my bonny Malio? We'll get wine and brandy and sack and sugar candy. Oh, will you go to Flanders, my Malio? Will you go to Flanders, my Malio, to see the bonny soldiers, my Malio? They'll give the pipes a blow with their kilts and plaidies blow. Aye, the fairy of this all, my Malio. Bonnie Mario, will ye give a foreign shore for to hear the cannons roar and the bloody shouts of war, my Mario? a million, guys. I don't know how we got to Clapton after Flanders. Thanks for all your kind words. Jesus, I shall stop before I get into trouble. Thanks a million for Brian. Great to see you. Thanks for your kind words as well, Russ. I think it was Ross Malloy. Thanks a million, James. Never know where you're going to get. That's right. It's about right with me. Thank you so much, guys. And if you please tell your friends about this Saturday night. If you like any of my music, I mean, there's lots of free music on my website, like Little Bird and stuff like that, and there's lots of other stuff. And I keep on threatening to make an album of slow classics. Julie Emilia, great to see you. Kieran Acuna, thanks a million. Gurmakov, thanks you to Judy Knight. Everybody, thanks to everybody for watching. Richard and Rebecca, thank you so much. I would play longer, but I think we're on the 3 hour mark now. Please share the Monday night thing, and if you feel like it, one more. Oh Jesus, Ross! Oh my God! Do you know what? Oh Jesus, there's oh my God! Oh jeez, I'll get in trouble. Do you know what? Oh Lord! You've been great, Sam. Thanks a million. You're very kind. Sorry not to play the accordion, the squeeze box just now. It's a little bit late for the neighbours, but when I get going in the van, I might be able to do more of that. Song for Ireland, yeah. Joe McCabe, great to see you, Joe. Song for Ireland, oh my God, what a great song. Great song, Kieran. Jesus, this was actually written by an English folk singer who I cannot remember the name, but I met his daughter. I met the husband and wife. I met the people who wrote this. And they were on holiday in Dingle. Actually, it's a true story. They were on holiday in Dingle. I met her in a folk club. Phil Colclough and June. Phil and June Colclough. I think Phil died in 2019, and he wrote this song. It's the most beautiful song. I've never ever sang this. Sad am I, Tim. David. Jesus, I'd love to learn that. You have to send me that, David. You have to. Yeah, please send me that. I would love to learn that, David. I know. Yeah, I'm very bad with names, as you probably know, David. And we have to get a tune, sir, as well. David Small, great guitar player in Glasgow. There, I love his playing. We had a tune together in the Celtic Connections, and when you have tunes with people. And it's just rocking, and he's just rocking. David, you're amazing. Wonderful swingy style, Scottish, jazzy, beautiful style. One of my favourite styles. Reminded me a little bit of Hazel Wrigley. We shall get a tune soon, I hope, sir. Walking all the day. Oh Lord, I've never actually sang this. But do you know what? I'll finish with the air. Walking all the day with tall towers and millers, living on your western shore. I've never sang this before, but do you know what? You only live once. Yeah. So I'll try this last one, and Song for Ireland, wonderful song, written by Phil Colclough. Mary Black and Didanan. Phil wrote this song, I think, while he was on holiday in Dingle. near tall towers will falcons build their nest. Silver wing they fly, they know the call of freedom in their breast. Soar black head against the sky, between the rocks that run down to the sea. Living on your western shore, soar summer sunsets, ask for more. I stood by your Atlantic sea, and I sang a song for Ireland. Talking all the day with true friends who try to make you stay, telling jokes and news, singing songs to pass the night away. Watch the Galway salmon run like silver dancing in the sun. Living on your western shore, soar summer sunsets, ask for more. I stood by your Atlantic sea, and I sing a song for Ireland. Dreaming in the night, I saw a land where no man had to fight. Walking in your dawn, I saw you crying in the morning light, lying where the falcons fly. They twist and turn all over the sky. Living when on your western shore, soar summer sunset, ask for more. I stood by your Atlantic dream, and I sang a song for Ireland. Good night, Ross. Good night, guys. Hey, Donald in Ontario. Hope you guys are well. Donald, hopefully soon. Thanks a million, Kieran. Oikava, Oihawa, and Ihwai, and Oikava, and good night, guys, and hopefully good night, Catherine. See you soon. Yeah, stay safe, guys. And Monday night, if anybody fancies a Monday night folk club with me, I'm doing this thing. I'll put the link up again. Tell your friends, and remember, anybody who's really struggling with their finances, just message me, and I'm sure we can work something out. Take care, guys. God bless, and yeah, sleep well.